Hi there, this is Leo Loche and I'm creating a series of short videos to go with my book, The DIY Phoenix, How to Drag Yourself Out of the Ashes, Mend Your Wings and Start Flying Again. We are going to talk about celebration. Yes, celebration. That might be the last thing that's on your mind while you're trying to piece your life back together, but this is really, really important. Sometimes we feel that we need a super big reason to celebrate or something really enormous. But what I would really like to encourage you is identify small milestones, things you did, things that improved at least a little bit. You can look at the videos from the solution focused section as well for some insights. And then really find milestones and start celebrating those. Pick the size of celebration that's possible. If that's chicken wings from your favorite place, that's okay. It doesn't need to be champagne or anything if that's not on the cards. But do something that's meaningful for you. Pat yourself on the back. You're doing an awesome job in putting everything back together. It's not easy. It's amazing you're doing it. So whatever you can do to keep yourself going, celebrations are a key part of it. Build that in early and build it from there. So even as you're getting yourself back out of the ashes, find things to celebrate and celebrate them. And if you can celebrate with other people, even better. Go for it. You deserve it. You're doing awesome.